Hi, this is Maddie Toops. Today I'm going to show you a little more about how to do a motion path using PowerPoint presentations. So the first thing I'm going to do when I open my computer is that I'm going to come over here to the Applications tab. I'm going to scroll down to where I see Microsoft Office, and I'm going to click on it, and then press on the PowerPoint icon. When it brings me to this page, you can either choose themes or templates, but for this case, I'm just going to go with an all-white template, and I'm going to change the layout to where I have a nice blank page. After that, you can come over to this little insert box and click on Insert a Picture or Clip Art. Now you can either do a photo browser, a picture from a file, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use clip art. So I'm going to come choose this, and let's go ahead and use this one. So I copy it and paste it on the PowerPoint. And I can click on it and make it start wherever on the page that I want. So if I want it to start up here, I can do that. I'm going to come over here to this little Animations tab, and I'm going to click Motion underneath the Motion, and I'm going to click Paths and drop down that menu. As you can see, there are a bunch of different paths that I can do with this, but I am just going to go ahead and choose the bounce path for now. So as you can tell, it kind of does it for me. So let's say that I wanted the direction to go the other way. I can come over here and click right instead of left, and it will follow. Let's try another one. So now we can come over here, and there's actually many different things that you can click on clip art. So I'm just going to use the Special Occasions tab. We can use a birthday hat. So after I'm here, I'm going to do the same kind of thing. Go up to Animations. Make sure, though, before you do anything, that this is outlined with this box right here, which means that you have clicked on it and you can drag it around. So we're going to click Paths again and drop down that menu. And this time I'm going to show you how to use Draw Scribble. So the difference between Draw Scribble and any of the other motion paths on here is that this is a custom path. So the other paths, like if I used an S-curve or a draw line, you have to kind of start them and end them in the same place. But when I use this one, I can click on it, and as you can tell, my mouse right here became a little pencil. So I can start from the middle and kind of make it go wherever I want. And it'll follow. All right. That's about it. I hope that this was helpful. And as you can tell, there are so many things that you can do with motion paths. So you can use these paths to kind of spruce up your next PowerPoint presentations. If you have any questions, please let me know, and have a great day.